When you're working on heavy equipment, semi-trucks, construction machinery, or stubborn lug nuts, an ordinary impact wrench simply won't cut it. Today we're reviewing the Milwaukee 2864-20 M18 Fuel 1-key 3/4 inch high torque impact wrench, one of Milwaukee's most powerful cordless impact tools. It features a POWERSTATE brushless motor, 1-key smart technology, 4-mode drive control, and delivers massive fastening and breakaway torque for demanding professional jobs. But does it justify its premium price? Let's find out. The Milwaukee 2864-20 is built for professionals who regularly work on heavy-duty equipment. Whether you're a diesel mechanic, fleet technician, industrial maintenance worker, construction contractor, or serious automotive enthusiast, this tool is designed to replace bulky pneumatic impacts while giving you the freedom of cordless operation. As a bare tool, it's intended for users already invested in Milwaukee's M18 battery platform. Let's begin with performance. The impact wrench is powered by Milwaukee's POWERSTATE brushless motor, engineered to deliver exceptional power while maximizing efficiency and runtime. It produces extremely high fastening and nut-busting torque, making it capable of removing rusted bolts, heavy suspension hardware, commercial truck lug nuts, and industrial fasteners. The 3/4 inch friction ring anvil allows fast socket changes while keeping sockets securely attached during demanding applications. Its all-metal gear case and rugged construction are designed to withstand harsh job site conditions. One of the biggest advantages is 1-key technology. Using the Milwaukee 1-key app, users can customize tool settings, store preferred performance profiles, track inventory, and manage tools across multiple job sites. The 4-mode drive control gives users multiple speed and power settings for different fastening applications, helping improve both control and accuracy. Integrated LED lighting improves visibility in darker work environments, while the ergonomic grip helps reduce fatigue during extended use. In real-world testing, the Milwaukee 2864-20 performs like a professional-grade powerhouse. The brushless motor delivers consistent torque with impressive speed, allowing stubborn fasteners to break loose quickly. Because it's cordless, mobility is significantly better than traditional air-powered impacts, especially when working outdoors or on service calls. The multiple drive modes provide better control when tightening fasteners, reducing the risk of over-tightening delicate components. Combined with a high-capacity M18 battery, the runtime is excellent for demanding professional workloads. So, is the Milwaukee 2864-20 M18 Fuel 1-key high torque impact wrench worth buying? If you're looking for one of the most capable cordless impact wrenches available for heavy-duty work, absolutely. Its combination of a POWERSTATE brushless motor, 1-key smart connectivity, 4-mode drive control, professional-grade torque, and Milwaukee's proven durability makes it an outstanding investment for mechanics and industrial professionals. While it's more expensive than entry-level impact wrenches and requires an M18 battery if you don't already own one, the performance, convenience, and reliability make it one of the best cordless high-torque impact wrenches on the market. If you'd like to check the latest Amazon price or available discounts, you'll find the affiliate link in the description below. If this review helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more honest reviews of professional power tools, garage equipment, workshop gear, and Amazon bestsellers. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.